Alright, we just got the 9 horsepower diesel engine shipped from China. I'm excited for this because we get a lot planned. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Alright, this is exciting. I literally just opened up the top. Didn't even look underneath. Oh, it's bolted. Like, this stuff is... Let's get this here. It's not bolted. Like, the metals are... That doesn't matter. Let's get this. Okay. Please hold. Alright, I pried it a little bit with my knife. Get those rest. And it straightened out. Alright, moment of truth. Okay, I strained it too much. There you go. Now we'll just ignore that thing that fell. Or that's the top, I mean. But anyway, so here is the air filter. It looks banged up, which is fun. I don't know how it can get banged up when it's like in this crate, like wood crate, but it did. Here's just a sneak peek at the diesel engine user manual, and yeah, we'll just end it here, and we'll be back for more. Stay tuned.